Welcome back to Stocklabs. The end of September, so it's time to check in on Fly's monthly quant strategy, see how it's faring, and yeah, slightly positive month, up 29 basis points for the month of September, which is not a lot, but it is a lot better than the market. So S&P was down something like 9.5% for September. The Qs were down 10 or 11%. That brings losses for the indices to S&P down about 24, 25%, and the Qs down over 30%, some maybe 32, 33%, somewhere in there. Whereas quant strategy is up 3% for the year, which is, if the goal is to basically survive a bear market, it's doing it. So again, this portfolio doesn't really actively trade that much. It just rebalances once a month, first trading day of the month. Fly picks the stocks based off of the quant screen that has fundamental criteria and also filters them by the Stocklabs SAA algo. So it doesn't really require any thinking or a lot of work for him to manage it. It just it's checking a screen once a month, making some substitutions for the portfolio, and then revisiting it a month later. Not really doing anything with it between rebalances. So what did well and poorly this month? Okay, whatever this thing is, INSW up 22%, kind of carried the portfolio more or less. And then we got a couple other decent gainers. Mayav and TRMD, they really bucked the trend of the market because market was down big for September. Even ENPH was slightly positive on the month, even with the NASDAQ getting hammered. And then, on the downside, about 2/3 of the portfolio looks like more or less sagged with the market. Big loser, Butterfly down 17, MPWR down 11, Chico's down 11. Yeah, not much else to draw from these. It was kind of fortunate to have this INSW that was a big outperformer. A couple stocks hugging the flat line. Not really a whole lot going on here, but eking out 0.3 on the positive side is a good result for one of the worst months that the market's had in recent memory. So for the year, still kind of holding in this sort of mid-range area. Had the big high in June, and then a little bit of a dip, but kind of making its way back a little bit, maybe. So, yeah, good job from the Fly this month. This is August, but September's not posted on that plot yet. Yeah, good month from the Fly. Positive returns versus a really tough market, and rebalance will come out on Monday, probably late morning to early afternoon. So be on the lookout for that if you're following along. And yeah, that's about it. We'll check back on this in November. Talk to you later.